The code C11007 means that the stability control in your Porsche is not happy because it can't get proper data from all the modules and sensors it uses for stability, for stabilizing the car on the road. Usually this happens after you replace the 12-volt battery and all the systems lose power for some time, but it can happen randomly, and this just means that something in your car is not calibrated properly. This may be your air suspension, steering angle sensor, or even rear wing, but in 90% of cases the problem is with the steering column calibration. Lots of Porsche vehicles have an electric steering column adjustment system, and you will need to calibrate it once the car loses power. Here's how you can do it. Make sure the car is stationary. The engine may or may not be on, but the ignition should be on. Make sure your seat is all the way away from the steering wheel to avoid being squeezed by the wheel when it calibrates. Locate the steering column adjustment lever under the steering wheel. Press it 3 times shortly towards the driver as if you want to extend the column. Then quickly press it once towards the engine compartment to retract the column. Then again press it once towards the driver and then press it shortly up and then down 1 time. You should do this sequence within 3 seconds, so you may not be able to do it the first time, but keep trying. When you do everything correctly, the steering column will move through all 4 ways and then stop in the central position, meaning that the calibration was successful. After that, the C11007 code will disappear unless the car wants you to calibrate something else. But for other calibrations, you may need professional scanners, so some professional help may be required.